Carbon. The element carbon is found in abundance in nature. It occurs in the free state as well as the combined state. The symbol of the element carbon is C. It is a non-metallic element. Its atomic number is 6 and atomic mass number is 12. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2, 4. There are 2 electrons in the first orbit and 4 electrons in the second orbit. The valency of carbon is 4. Now, let us make a list of some substances or objects that we use in our daily life from morning to night and classify them into metallic objects, earthen or glass objects, and other objects. We use metallic objects like steel plates and bowls for eating food, metal containers for cooking food. Earthen or glass objects like cups and glasses for drinking tea, coffee, and water. Besides these objects, we also use objects like toothpaste, soap, clothes, fuels like cooking gas, foodstuffs, medicines, wooden objects like chair and table, books, plastic water bottles, etc. in our daily life. Now, let us carefully study the list. Do you find any element that is commonly found in some substances? Yes, you are right. The last column of the objects or substances contains the element carbon. In other words, carbon is the common and important constituent of all these substances. This further proves the importance of carbon. We know that the substance formed by the chemical combination of 2 or more elements is a compound. Compounds that are obtained directly or indirectly from plants and animals are called organic compounds. Compounds that are obtained from minerals are called inorganic compounds. All organic compounds contain carbon. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins contain carbon as the main element. Besides, nucleic acids like cellular, DNA, and RNA that play an important role in the transfer of hereditary characteristics from one generation to the next also contain carbon as the main element. Hence, all these compounds are organic compounds. An introduction to scientists. Initially, it was believed that all organic compounds were obtained from living things. As a result, no attempts were made to synthesize organic compounds in the laboratory until the German chemist Wohler synthesized an organic compound urea from an inorganic compound ammonium cyanate. Since then, many organic compounds have been made from inorganic compounds. The main element in all organic compounds is carbon. Hence, organic chemistry is also referred to as the chemistry of carbon compounds. Occurrence of carbon. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. Carbon occurs in the free state in nature in 2 forms, diamond and graphite. In the combined state, carbon occurs as compounds such as carbon dioxide gas present in the air, carbonates such as calcium carbonate, marble, and calamine, that is zinc carbonate, ZnCO3, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, carbonaceous nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, natural fibers like cotton, wool, and silk. Science capsule. The amount of carbon present in the Earth's crust and the atmosphere is very small. The Earth's crust contains carbon in the form of carbonates, coal, and petroleum, and the atmosphere contains carbon in the form of carbon dioxide. The proportion of carbon dioxide in the air is approximately 0.03%. Certain types of plants which grow on the ocean floor have the ability to convert carbon in marine water into calcium carbonate.